Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video presents the first phase of the experimental material development leading to product design project, which includes research and material experimentation. For this project, I had to come up with methods to develop my own organic material, which would be used in the development of a product later reviewed in the course of the project. I kicked off by researching existing biomaterials with keen focus on bioplastics. I then looked at precedent methods of plastic manufacture and the forms in which plastics and bioplastics are available, as well as some of the problems surrounding them, all to consider during my experimentation process. For my research experiments, I used gelatin, oats, brown sugar, brown rice, glycerine, water, and vinegar to come up with 4 binders or organic glue options: dry avocado tree leaves, dry palm tree flowers, loam soil, dry grass, and sawdust were the base materials I used iteratively to find out how each binder would behave with differently textured bases. I made my first bioglue using 5 dessert spoons of oats and boiling them in half a cup of water for 5 minutes. I then dissolved 3 dessert spoons of gelatin and 7 of water, added 3 of glycerine, then added the mixture to the oats and boiled it all together for 1 minute. I then mixed the binder with each of the bases in 1:1 ratios. The swatches took about 2 days to cure, and swatches 1 to 6 were the results. My second binder was made by mixing 5 dessert spoons of sugar and of water together with 3 of glycerine. The mixture was then boiled for 5 minutes while stirring frequently and regularly. I then mixed this with the different bases. Swatches 7 to 10 were the results, and they took about 30 minutes to dry, except for swatch 9, which was still curing when this video was made. I made my third binder using 2 dessert spoons of maize meal, 1 of vinegar, 4 of glycerine, 4 of gelatin, and a 1/4 cup of water, all mixed at once and boiled for 5 minutes. A 2:1 ratio was used to prepare swatches 11 to 15, and they took 3 days to cure. The fourth binder I made was a brown rice paste made from boiling and mashing half a cup of water, 1 dessert spoon of vinegar, and 2 of brown rice prepared from a 1/4 cup of rice and 1 of water, boiled for 10 minutes, soaked for 3.5 hours, then simmered for 30 minutes. Swatches 16 to 20 were the results and took about 12 hours to dry in the sun. The experiments which I chose to explore further in the next phase of this project were swatches 4 and 19. The 4th swatch for flexible biomaterial exploration with dry grass as fiber, and the 19th for rigid options. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.